Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is speech on if I could invent something. Number 1 line. Good morning, respected teacher and my dear friends. Number 2. Today I am going to speak on the topic if I could invent something. Number 3. Every great invention starts with a simple idea. Number 4. If I could invent something, I would invent a magic helper machine. Number 5. This machine would make life easier for everyone. Number 6. It would help students finish homework quickly. Number 7. It would also explain difficult topics in easy words. Number 8. For parents, it would manage daily tasks at home. Number 9. For teachers, it would prepare lessons and check notebooks. Number 10. My invention would save time for all of us. Number 11. The best part is that it would work on clean green energy. Number 12. This would keep our environment safe. Number 13. It would also recycle waste and keep our surroundings clean. Number 14. The machine would be small, smart, and safe to use. Number 15. Every children could use it without any danger. Number 16. My invention would help poor families by providing free learning tools. Number 17. It would also guide people during emergencies. Number 18. I believe such an invention can make the world a better place. Number 19. We all should dream big and work hard to invent new things. Number 20. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.